Introduction to the glute bridge.
The glute bridge is a beginner-friendly exercise that targets the glute muscles, hamstrings, and core. It's a great addition to any lower body routine because it can help improve strength, stability, and posture. Before starting, make sure you have a safe, flat surface to work on, such as an exercise mat or carpeted area.
Getting into position.
Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, about hip-width apart. Place your arms at your sides, palms facing down for stability. Make sure your feet are close enough that your fingertips can lightly touch your heels. Keep your neck relaxed and gaze upward to maintain good alignment.
Performing the glute bridge.
Press through your heels and squeeze your glutes to lift your hips off the floor. Raise your hips until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Avoid excessive arching in your lower back. Hold the peak position for 1 to 2 seconds. Then lower your hips back down with control.
Tips for proper form and muscle activation.
Focus on engaging your glutes throughout the movement, not just your lower back or hamstrings. Keep your core tight to protect your spine. Breathe out as you lift and inhale as you lower. Avoid pushing through your toes or letting your knees collapse inward to maximize glute muscle activation.
Common mistakes and how to avoid them.
Avoid lifting your hips too high or letting your lower back take over. Don't rush through the exercise. Slow, controlled movements lead to better muscle engagement. Watch for your knees tracking in line with your hips and ankles. If you feel strain in your lower back, stop and reset your position before continuing.
Progressing and incorporating glute bridges.
As you get stronger, you can try single-leg glute bridges or add pauses at the top. Include glute bridges regularly in your warm-ups, strength sessions, or as part of an injury prevention routine to enhance your lower body workout.